Hello everyone. So we are live here as part of a live from Vido. So if anyone is here live, just drop a hello. Hi Mahati. So Kadambari from Vido has joined. Let's wait for a few more minutes. Hi Mahati.
Hi,
Hi Kadambari. How are
great
you?
money. How are you?
I'm good too. How are you?
Super, super, super good.
Thank you.
Nice seeing you. And
Yeah.
I'm definitely a fan of yours for the Three Little Musketeers that you have and the
Thank
amount of
you.
work that you do.
Thank you so
Super,
much.
super.
The pleasure is mutual because you also work like every other women entrepreneur. The admiration and the pride is mutual because we all know what we go through, and so it's not a cakewalk. Like we handle so many things, so we admire every women entrepreneur we come across.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Yeah.
So thank you so much. I think today it was so sudden that we
Yes.
planned for this live. I'm sure
Yes.
people who are watching this live, it's going to be definitely inspiring because I wanted to know so many details about you. So I've noted certain things, some questions which I've never asked you before.
Uh
Though
huh.
we've interacted so many times inside, we do some questions that I've never asked you before. I wanted to actually ask you today.
Okay.
So suddenly we decided to go live on your channel, which is actually a very 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 good thing to do because we're really looking at more people getting to know about video. So I thought that's a great opportunity as well. Super. So you
And
want to
also,
start with the
yeah, and also it is
yeah.
my pleasure because there are women entrepreneurs who want to have a good platform because we start a venture out of some passion, and we definitely want to reach more customers. So,
Correct.
it will be definitely great if we get a proper network and to connect with more people so that we reach more number of customers, not only monetary, but because we a product or service we curate with some effort, and so not only thoughts also go into each product or service. So nothing like getting a proper network and reaching more people, and an organization like Vido makes it make more simpler. So I also wanted to share because we are having quite a number of people watching us now. So there may be some women entrepreneurs or someone who also want to start their venture, or the plans may be in the pipeline. So it is great for them to know that there is an organization that encourages and lays down a beautiful platform to spread the wings. And so yes, it is a great opportunity for me to
Thank you.
get more details about Vido as well.
Thank you. Thank you. I have to tell one thing. This
Yeah.
is actually happening. The motto of this organization itself is let's grow as we let grow.
Yeah.
And when I actually conceptualize this, I have to say that it's just a concept until and unless I actually found people like y'all who believe in the concept. And I don't know how much you've realized, but when I shared your details to our reseller members and influencer members who are taking it as a profession, and today, especially the poster that we shared,
Yeah.
it was quite shocking for them to see the range of products that you have and so many others have.
Yeah.
And the intent of you to share it with others and make it
Yes,
also a micro
absolutely.
entrepreneur opportunity is
Definitely.
like living that dream.
Yeah.
It's phenomenal. And the pride in which they carry that product, saying that as we do women, the quality ethics of our ladies are really good. It's possible only
Absolutely.
through the
Yeah.
confidence that
And also, like,
you
I
give.
have, and some, I have come across with all the lovely women I came to know, and I get to mingle with each other in the journey of entrepreneurship. That I have a lovely bunch of people who believe in
Wow.
let's grow together. That itself is one success, because when we believe that we can grow together apart from products or marketing, that is one
Yes.
beautiful evolving of any person. Like, people have different careers, but when we want and believe to bring that practice, that makes us a better human as well. Business is there.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
See, we are actually rewriting statements which say
Yeah.
that women cannot grow another women. Women can only
Yeah.
pull down another lady.
Yeah.
But here
Exactly.
we are making it happen. So the number of success stories which happened today, my sister was here. The minute she got that poster, the amount of interest she showed in,
Yeah.
she was the one who showed, wow, so many products in Sukam. And it's like, it is so nice. Okay, I want to directly go to some questions to
Sure.
you,
Yeah.
3 kids, superb. Okay, first of all, that should keep you busy. So I've seen in my journey, honestly, with a genuine statement I'm making, I've seen a lot of women who actually wait until kids grow up to a certain level. But you kind of have toddlers. Sometime during our online meetings, we also
Yeah.
have kids coming, and you keep pushing them away even on online results. So, having said that, it's okay to just start a small business, but you have started, and the amount of detailing that you put into every single product and the range of products, it's covered from baby to the age old aging people. So, what made you do this, and what is that which is driving you?
I mean, frankly, I did not have any idea to start my own business until I started. I had my twins because I was into the business of my father-in-law and my husband, and it was quite monotonous and totally dry. But when I happened to have my twins and I started to explore cloth diapering, that changed the game. So slowly I started to explore the sustainable ways, and I started to know more vulnerable, like chemical ingredients in the baby products. So that started. So as always, I think that, even now, I think I owe this to my kids, because if not for the cooperation from my elder one, no, I couldn't have done. And if not for the twins, no, this wouldn't have happened at all. And just like I take the satisfaction
Yes.
or pride in nurturing them daily with the utmost healthiest products from intake for external care, it makes me immensely pleasure to know that, like, every day I receive messages, and nothing makes me happy more than a review for baby products. When a mom writes
Wow.
that her baby's eczema or extreme dry conditions are no more because of these products, that makes me immense happy. And so this keeps me pushing. So there is no single day that I wake up with regret, or each and every morning I wake up gratefully and I look forward to what can you do today. So I have my agenda, fine, that is work, but this I consider this Sukam Handmade as my fourth baby. And yes, I'm
Wow.
contented, grateful, happy that none of my babies have never let me down. So yes,
Super.
maybe
That's
this is
so
not
good.
physical. Yeah. So I owe many moments. Like, there are some powerful moments, some teary moments, everything ending in a happy note. But I owe them to my kids, because if not for any of these, a day might be up and down. There are mixed emotions, but the momentum of keeping a day at above a point is definitely because of these four babies. And literally, I live every moment, every single second of my life thankful to these babies.
No, I've just closely observed that passion with you. Anytime, anything in terms of a suggestion or anything, I think you're just there doing it, and that shows how much. In fact, this is one quote which I would like to tell everybody: treat it like your baby. So
Seriously.
you don't really have to, because when it comes to baby, we don't give up that easily. We
Yeah.
try to figure it out.
Yes.
And actually, I want to really tell you that the products that you created are a real relief for a lot of parents, real mothers, because we go by product reviews, we read that there are so many chemicals, but we are
Yeah.
left with no choice actually. But
Yeah.
being a mom and using that for your own babies and
Yes.
coming out, I'm sure you wouldn't recommend anything which is dangerous for a
Yeah.
baby.
Yeah.
So what else to trust? It's like, to all my pregnant friends, first thing what I send is your product. For sure, I send it to them, because they already know that they don't have to search elsewhere, and they already have,
Thank
somebody
you.
to look for when it comes to baby products.
Thank you.
Because we see, especially when it comes to you, we see where it comes from. So
That trust is
automatically they're able to
phenomenal.
be more confident.
When I have not seen
Okay.
any people in person, or I don't even know some person, but they blindly trust. And that weighs a lot, because every day I think the responsibility I have is huge, because when a mother asks for any concern for her baby or any family member, and they don't even bat an eyelid. If I suggest a product, they straight away go with that, and sometimes that responsibility is huge. So, and again, I
Huge.
insist, because there are some set of people who insist on the aesthetic aspects of the product, but if you take body butter, that is plain simple, just the frozen butter. So they are not much appealing, but as people get to use some products, they don't look back at all. So the I owe that to the trust and belief they have vested upon me and Sukam.
Definitely. Otherwise, you will not be in the market for a very long time, because this is a time where people were trusting brands.
Yeah.
So when they're actually going to somebody and picking up the product, if your quality is not there, you're dead. You cannot stay for this long. And especially word of mouth in this community is pretty much
Phenomenal.
fast.
Yes.
So for you to stay and keep finding new products, it's like phenomenal. And another nice thing what I see with you is the beautiful art of packaging. And how did this, when everybody is concentrating more on women and babies, fine, babies at least few, but women, I was super amazed seeing your men combination. It's like men empowerment அப்படின்னு பேசுறவங்க நாங்க உங்களையும் மதிக்கிறோங்க, உங்களுக்கும் ப்ராடக்ட் வச்சிருக்கோம், அதுவும் டீட்டெயிலா வச்சிருக்கீங்க, நீங்க சின்ன சின்ன விஷயத்தெல்லாம் பார்த்து பார்த்து வச்சிருக்கீங்க.
Because I had
So
so many
what, how is
queries.
that story?
Yeah, because I had some persons, they were telling like, my husband used to tell every time parcel vanda, it is for you or the baby or somebody. Can't you ask that lady to do something for us? But again, I mean, the soaps, the shampoo bars, they are unisex. But when I thought only difference I can make is the beard oil or aftershave, so it happened that way. But otherwise, since
I think I have a fan moment here. Somebody called Mahati. It's like addicting. You're also becoming a narcotic. I mean, search
Mahati, I
operation is
must
going to go on you.
say about her. She's a huge fan of the chocolate soaps. So
Wow.
she does not take a single bar. So I have to make a customized bar for her. So it
Wow.
takes a pretty longer time as well. So, but she took a couple. I mean, once she used that, there was no looking back. Every time she takes like whenever I pack, my sons would barge in, like it will be like this big bar and nothing short of a big chocolate bar. I have to rescue and pack.
That's so cute. I think so. Coming back to the men's product, so finally your husband has a role in your business as well, illa?
No,
Kids மட்டும் இல்ல, husbandம் help பண்ணிருக்காரு beard products எல்லாம் create பண்றதுக்கு நினைக்கிறேன்.
Like, I mean, for the beard products, the inspiration was from the customers. My husband is actually a little disturbance, because he takes away all the products which I used to say, see, there are the end pieces, we can use that. But no, he wants only freshly packed, and he has different choices. So even the kids adjust and listen, obey sometimes, but he's the one, no, he's
Hey, see, but one thing, okay, a critic inside the family only brings out the best, Ilya. So you have to strive to create a best. பாவம்யா, கொஞ்சனா குடுத்தலாம், அவர் தப்பி தவறி இந்த லைவ் பார்த்துட்டா, அதனால
I mean, every client of Sukam Handmade, they have not refrained to share honest feedbacks. Like there are times, I mean, they will be sharing, and they won't refrain from themselves. Like there are people who say, if they don't like any fact, people can go and talk about outside. But I am blessed with such wonderful set of people who have taken, I mean, they have the right, and right away they will share, and they appreciate as the remedy has been taken. So my best critics are my loyal customers.
Oh wow, I totally get that, Rukmani, because 5 years into Veedu, I've seen all types of people. But அதுல வீடுவ build பண்ணது இவ்வளவு தூரம் எடுத்துட்டு வந்தது, அதுவும் வந்து எல்லாருமே கேட்பாங்க, என்ன இது ப்ராடக்டும் இல்ல, சர்வீஸும் இல்ல, நீ என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்க அப்படின்னு கேட்பாங்க. But people who've always bought us up is our well-wishers. Whenever there is a negative thing or somewhere we have a gap னாலும் அவங்க வந்து நம்மட்ட அத criticism-ஆ பார்க்காம ஒரு constructive feedback வந்து கொடுத்து, they will definitely bring us up that way.
Because these are the set of people who are interested that we should grow. And these are not the set of people who go and say something if they don't like a thing, and giving a proper consideration, like okay, it is not suiting for me, maybe it's suiting for some other person. Appadinu solittu people will definitely come back, because I believe Sukham Handmade is built on these wonderful people. My foundation is these people because I came from a different tribe, and the first set of people who are from my cloth diapering tribe. So without even a single point of time, like when I said I have a brand, no second thought, straight away they ordered. So they vested their trust, as I say. So Sukham is built on the trust and belief on as the foundation of these lovely people.
So true. And these are the people also, like sometimes there will be எல்லா entrepreneur லைஃப்லயுமே வந்து give up moments வரும். But அந்த one person who stands and அவங்களுக்காகவே நம்ம என்னென்ன பண்ணுவோம் அப்படின்னு it will transform into a larger brand. So true, so true.
There are so many moments like my
favorite product?
My favorite, like I cannot say one favorite product, like it keeps changing. Like நான் இதை யூஸ் பண்ணலாம்னு ஆரம்பிப்பேன். So definitely there is not one such favorite, but I like the baby products a little more because everyday யூஸ்க்கு வந்துகிட்டே இருக்கு, and of course that stays close to my heart. And otherwise
பேபி ப்ராடக்ட்ஸையே வாங்கி தான் நானே அடல்ட்டா போடுவேன்ற நிறைய கஸ்டமர்ஸும் இருப்பாங்கல்ல,
நிறைய பேர் இருக்காங்க. because like the products are can be used by all the ages and skin types. So like நிறைய பேர் இருக்காங்க, எனக்கு பேபி சோப் தான் வேணும், எனக்கு வந்து எங்க பாட்டி பண்ற நலுங்கு மாவு மாதிரி இருக்கு, அந்த மாதிரி எல்லாமே. And I remember one doctor, she gifted her that நலுங்கு மாவு and hair wash powder for her grandma's 80th birthday. So அந்த மாதிரி எல்லாம் லாயல், ஐ மீன் ரொம்ப they like mosquito repellent cream எல்லாம் ஃபேமிலியோட யூஸ் பண்றவங்களும் இருக்காங்க, லைக் அவர் ஓன் டாக்டர் சுகன்யா ஃப்ரம் வீடோ. சோ அந்த மாதிரி இந்த ப்ராடக்ட்ட இவங்க தான்.
உங்களுடைய பேக்கேஜிங்கும், அதாவது இப்போ நம்ம ரொம்ப யோசிச்சு போய் ரிசர்ச் பண்ண வேண்டாம். இப்ப ட்ரை ஸ்கின் அப்படின்னா நீங்களே செட்டா எடுத்து வச்சிடுறீங்க, இந்தாங்க இந்த சோப்பை போட்டுக்கோங்க, இந்த கிரீமை போடுங்க, இதை யூஸ் பண்ணுங்க. So I think that's one amazing recommendation that you have, which makes it more easy for people to go pick, illingla?
Yeah, because I mean people have, if there are queries ni irundhudna, they ping me in WhatsApp, some people, or Messenger, Facebook page or Insta la, and they list down their specific skin conditions, and most of the products வந்து அதிலே கவர் ஆயிடும். பிகாஸ் எனக்கு தனித்தனியா கஸ்டமைஸ் பண்றதுக்குன்னு இருக்காது. லைக் ட்ரை ஸ்கின்னா எக்ஸ்ட்ரீம் ட்ரை ஆர் சொரியாசிஸ், எக்ஸிமா, இந்த மாதிரி எதுலயாவது ஒன்று வரும்போது காம்பினேஷன் ஒர்க்ஸ் அவுட் ஃபார் பீப்புள். பேபி ஸ்கின் வந்தா பேபி மசாஜ் ஆயில் அண்ட் பேபி சோப் and mosquito repellent cream அவங்க ரெகுலரா யூஸ் பண்ணாங்கன்னா it acts as a repellent and moisturizer. So ஒரு நாளைக்கு ஒரு 3 enriched ஒரு ப்ராடக்ட்ஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணும்போது no other go, dry skin போய்தான் ஆகணும், and the skin gets nourished with any other option. அந்த மாதிரி. And like the new products keeping me alive, like ஏதாவது ஒண்ணு பண்ணலாமா நோட் டவுன் பண்ணிக்கிட்டே வருவேன், வந்துட்டு ட்ரையல்ஸ் போகும், டெஸ்டிங் போகும். லைக் ஒரு ஃபேர் அமௌண்ட் ஆஃப் பீரியட்க்கு அப்புறம் ரிசல்ட்ஸ் ஓகேன்னு வந்தா ஐ வில் ரிலீஸ். ஸோ இதுக்கு அண்ட் அதுக்கு அது காரணமே வந்து லைக் பீப்புள் லைக் தேர் வில் பி சோ மெனி ரெக்வெஸ்ட். இது மாதிரி பர்டிகுலர் ப்ராடக்ட் ரெக்வெஸ்ட்
இருக்கும்போது it gives you a scope to actually innovate also.
Yes.
Super. And இப்ப வந்து now winter வருது அப்படிங்கிறதுனால I'm sure there's a lot of normal skin also becoming dry during this period and all that, Ilya. So what's your recommendation for the season? I'm sure you would have packaged something for the season for the November and December and Jan, Ilya.
Yeah.
What is your recommendation?
Before going for any moisturizer or something, I would recommend the basic things which you can easily do. Don't go for extreme hot or very hot showers, because it might be so warm or cozy for us, but the skin dries out. So make it a little warmer, and as your body or the skin is little wet, just உங்களுக்கு இருக்கிற moisturizer, I'm not saying, I'm not making this a commercial thing, but any moisturizer just apply on the skin. And I have seen like applying the body butters or the creams, mosquito creams or whatever, applying on the night time gives more results, because if we are moving we sweat a lot and on the friction apply irukradha vida. But if you apply any moisturizer like body butter and you leave it overnight, the results are very much tremendous. And again, please stay hydrated. Sometimes we feel only summer we need hydration. No, winter we need hydration, because the weather is different. So stay hydrated. Don't compromise on your hydration intake as recommended or as suits your medical conditions. Don't compromise and nourish your skin with natural moisturizers. Yeah, brands are there, and just go have a look over the contents. Go for products which have raw and organic, or the basic normally, like, you don't need fancy creams or stuff to in the name of moisturizing. The moisturizing, the cream should nourish to up to should be absorbed by your skin for a healthy reason. So if you
Okay,
ask in
right.
Sukham, we have a wide range. If you are having an extreme skin conditions, you can choose for the body butter, which is a mix of butters and oils. That's it. Or if you're having a normal skin, body cream would be fine. For babies, we have mosquito repellent come, no, that is repellent come moisturizer, and you have
Okay.
baby massage oils. And one more thing I wanted to stress at this point of time: some people
Mm.
ask, my skin is dry, so can you recommend
Mm.
any soap? Yeah, the
Mm.
soap can help to a little extent, because when it cleanses, it takes away some um,
Dry,
hydration, or
dead cells.
yeah, moisture of the skin. So make sure that you are using a soap that cleanses, gently cleanses, and retains the moisture. But the ideal thing would be to add up a moisturizer. A soap does not moisture. Maybe a good soap can retain the moisture. So have these points in your
What is an
mind.
alternative, like especially when we are having a bath? If you want us to replace a moisturizer for dry skin, what is your suggestion? Is it a gel or something?
No. If your skin is dry, you can go for a thick moisturizer, something like body butter, which is made of oil or butters. A gel is fine
No,
for
for a
an.
soap நான் கேக்குறேன். Like an alternative for a soap என்னன்னு கேக்குறேன். Cleansing என்ன எதை வச்சு
You
பண்ணலாம்னு
can
கேக்குறேன்.
go for a soap. I mean, provided your soap is a safe one. Like the commercial ones, they have so many additives, so many fillers.
So what
See,
do you suggest soaps, natural
any
soaps, எது
any
நீங்க
any
suggest பண்ணுவீங்க?
handmade soap. Why I recommend handmade soap is, by the process of making soap, the oils, I mean, the byproduct of a soap is glycerin. So any handmade
Mm.
soap, glycerin is inside the soap. But what happens in
Handy.
the commercial soap is, they take out the
Mm.
glycerin and make it for the lotions and moisturizers. So that is the
Okay.
reason the commercial soaps does not moisture. But any
Mm. Mm.
handmade soap, a cold process
Mm.
one, typically they have the
Mm.
glycerin, so using that retains the moisture. So for cleansing, you can
Okay.
go for a
Okay.
cold process soap. And if your skin is
So what are
extremely
the
dry, add it
different
up.
soaps you have? What are the different soaps you have at Sutam, basically? The
A lot,
different.
right? Like I can bifurcate as major sections, like normal to oily section, oily, normal, and
Mm.
dry skin. So for oily
Wow.
skin,
Okay.
I have charcoal soap and neem soap. Neem is very much
Mm.
recommended for severe acne prone skin.
Mm.
And for
Mm.
dry skin, we have shea butter, calamine, and
Mm.
camel milk soap, and
Mm.
a lot honey soap, chocolate soap, papaya, menthol, and
Wow.
beetroot, aloe
Wow.
vera,
That's
bent.
nice.
And I have a set of clay soaps, that is the bentonite clay soap, Resol's clay soap, and
Clay,
these are.
what is this? Clay, basically, what does it help in? Because இது எனக்கு பர்சனலா இருக்கிற டவுட். கிளே சோப் வந்து எதுக்கு ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கும்?
There are
ஐ மீன்
different
என்ன
clays,
மாதிரி ஸ்கின்
Kadambari.
டைப்?
Yeah, there are
ம்.
different clays. So each clay has a different property to treat a
ம்.
mature skin, to treat a sensitive skin, to
Wow.
calm down a irritated. So calamine, that calms down. So
ம்.
if you go for bentonite or Russell's clay and Dead Sea mud clay is a wonderful clay that treats allergic come dry skin, because when dry skin goes to beyond the extent and
Next level.
itching.
Scaly skin மாதிரி.
So itchingலாம் வரும்போது dry
Okay.
Dead Sea mud clay works wonderfully. Like I have so many people, just they started as a trial, but once they saw that the problem was sorted out, they never go back for any other soap, even within Sukham. So they choose only
Wow.
Dead Sea mud clay. So each clay has a different property. So if you have a specific skin condition, you can reach out to me and check if any clays can attend to the problem. So there are, as I said,
Wow.
different skin conditions and different soaps can attend to.
Wow, actually, this is so much of an information. We have somebody asking us, I have the dead itchy skin அப்படின்னு கேக்குறாங்க. மோமாமியான்னு நினைக்கிறவங்க பேரு. So
Okay.
I think if you have some suggestion ready-made, you can give her, or she can also ping you personally. But yes,
Yeah.
any suggestions for her?
Yeah, for dead itchy skin, I mean, they come, they go hand in hand. Like itchy skin, dry skin, and then they're getting developed to itchy skin. So we need to add up the moisturizing and check the balance of the soap. So if your soap dries out your skin, switch to a soap that does not strip out the moisture, retains the moisture and gently cleanses, and add up a moisturizer like a body butter. And Shakti has asked who does the trials and testings. I have some set of peoples, like if people come up with few requests or for new products, they will be trial and doing the trials. Otherwise, there are some couple of people who are ready to be my guinea pig. So they
Yeah,
go
because
to,
we know, no, we are 100% sure that it won't. And another thing, we get the products also, yeah.
yeah.
நீங்க வந்து எங்களை ஸ்பெஷலா ட்ரீட் பண்ணுவீங்கிறதுனால டெஃபினட்டா ரெடி இல்லையா.
Yeah.
See, because we know wrong products don't go in, already experience is there. So you
Sometimes what
basically test
happens
it on
is,
humans.
yeah. So, I mean, as a matter of policy, like even though we are small now, but we set our protocols or standards right from the beginning, like no cruelty, no animal testing, no, I mean, we also, I mean, whatever the procurement, I mean, the raw materials we procure, we make sure that we are sustainably procuring, and there we practice ethics as much as we can in this level, so that even though the scale grows big, this practice remains the same. So strictly no plastic
Beautiful,
packing.
beautiful.
And with that, so yeah, instead of testing, like people come forward, and I give the products for 2 to 3 people, because I cannot rely on one single person's verdict, because what if that does not
Yes.
suit for another person, or what if this not suit this person. So a couple of trials are getting done with couple of peoples, and the average is taken. If that satisfies me and the parameters I have set, that goes into launch.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful. That's really very nice. Actually, as you rightly said, culture eats strategy for breakfast. அப்படின்னுவாங்க. And these culture of, the ethical practices, அதுவும் with you, I've really appreciated or admired that rather. Certain things like environment friendly products and எதுவுமே வந்து climate environment disturb பண்ணாத products தான் you've always been creating.
Yes.
And I think that's a very valuable thing, because இன்னைக்கு we talk about social entrepreneurship. Social service or social entrepreneurship, எனக்கு என்ன பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் social entrepreneurship அதை விடமே ரொம்ப நோபல்னு நான் நினைப்பேன். Because you need to take care of yourself, but at the same time நம்ம பண்ற மெஸ் entrepreneurship நம்ம பண்ற மெஸ் வந்து ஒரு social person வந்து clean பண்ணக்கூடாது.
Yeah.
So social entrepreneurshipல மெஸ்ஸே நடக்காது. We'll be very conscious about what we are delivering and giving. That's so beautiful, and kudos and hats off to you.
Thank
in
you.
that way. That's superb. So your best seasonal product அப்படின்னா உங்களுடைய இப்ப latest என்ன offers எதனா போயிட்டு இருக்கா, which
We just
festive
had
offers
for Diwali, so we are sold out in many products. So restocking is really taking the time. So we cannot go on a fast. So day by day, slower than restocking is happening. So we are not having any offers now. But as far as I have heard from the people, like I have heard many people saying, initially we thought the pricing is different, but the amount we need for usage for each particular time and the results they stand up to. So because there is a cost, because if I talk about body butters, I know there are brands who fill with additives and fillers, so that might, I mean, the texture may be different, everything. But right from where I started learning, doing, I believe like a person pays so much money for a couple of things, for the product and for the trust. So there is no compromise in the quality in every single possible aspect, as much as I could. So I could have gone for a plastic packing, which can yield some more rupees for me. But if a person who is using a lip balm can throw it out, it may be a small tin, but that disturbs me a lot. Every day, I mean, if I look at the sales figures or the number of reviews, but the biggest fact that pleases me or puts me into a relaxed sleep is the packing. Because I mean, from ingredients, see, if there are soaps or other products, the residual, of course, that harms the planet. But if you take the soaps or these cold processed soaps, no residual, nothing can harm the planet. And the detergents,
okay.
that, I mean, a detergent after washing can harm the planet. the residuals. Of course, it goes into the groundwater and pollutes. But someday I feel that we grew from scratch. So I know from one we came to this much level. So all these years of all these number of clients I have and the number of products they use, or somehow I visualize a planet or the space, like a client is there, the groundwater, and it is not polluted. So they buy the product, they use, they feel happy. But I feel happy for one more product, that they are helping the environment. Somewhere down the line, or years
That's so
later,
nice.
their kids and my kids will be growing up to a greener planet, which we are indebted to give them. Because Sukham started with a cloth diapering journey. So I cannot think of otherwise in the name of making money. No, I may earn less compared to any person. That does not bother me at all. But if someone says that, and like, I also try to give some suggestions if people ask, like, what can you do for diaper rash? Okay, you use that cream, but please switch to cloth diapers. Please switch to cloth pads. Because somewhere I feel that sparkles me more than talking more about my products. If people
At the
talk
end of
about,
the day, it's about solution providing. நம்மகிட்ட அந்த
yes,
ப்ராடக்ட் இல்லாம இருக்கலாம், ஆனா
yeah,
கஸ்டமர் நமக்கு முக்கியம்.
yeah,
அவங்களோட end of the day, we are all here to take care of them.
yeah.
So giving them the right solution is important, and I
And
think
I
you're doing
believe
that
as an
really well.
entrepreneur, I not only owe for the society, but cloth diaper is where I began everything. So I owe it to that journey. Or if somebody takes up a switch to cloth diaper, nothing makes me more happy than that. So the
Okay.
light
Maybe you
changes
should
here
bring the
a little
junior
bright.
onto
Yes,
the camera. It's
yeah,
okay, so he'll be happy.
yeah. He's Adrit.
Hello. So he is the person. He is a first customer of Sukham, and he's the brand ambassador as well. பாத்தீங்களா அழகா கையாட்டுறாரு. That's so nice.
Yeah.
Hey, hi, Junior.
Hi,
So
Chala.
cute.
Hi.
Hi.
He's
So
Adrit.
cute.
Yeah. Thank
I'm
you.
sure everybody are loving to watch his beautiful little cute
Oh, he's
smile.
Chala.
So, hey, nice, so cute. Oh
Yeah.
my God, seriously, da, he's so cute. He's so
Thank you.
cute.
Thank you. Yeah.
That's so nice. And I think
So
you have somebody
Kadambari, yeah.
commenting. Yeah. Hmm.
No, I'm not saying any comments.
A way to go. You do a great job. So
Thank
damn
you.
proud of you.
Thank you so much. This means a lot
அப்படின்னு யாரோ
for me.
எழுதியிருக்காங்க. I'm sure the person is your part of your fan club, obviously.
Thank you.
That's
Thank
so
you
nice.
so much. This means
So,
a
what
lot
are
for
your
me.
future plans? What are your future plans?
A couple of goals, like
Hikman?
by 2025, I want, because for COVID and other reasons, I'm not having any help for now, because kids are home and I have elder people as well. So whoever is blaming that Sukham is delaying in the packing or sending, please blame it on the COVID as well, because I'm not able to recruit any other person to help me. So from making to packing,
Advance bail right now.
yes. So please excuse me. But I hope once the situation gets settled slowly, by 2025, I want to have an all-women team. And I would even
Wow.
prefer if I have economically privileged, underprivileged people, because I want the people to grow with me, not only monetary, but if I have some social status, I want to give little bit back to the society as well. So
Wow.
if things go settle well by 2021, yes, I am looking for a small women team. And it started in my kitchen, and our hall had a big area. So until last year, my home was a mess. Everywhere you can see the products, either WIP or packed. So my father-in-law was gracious enough to build me a separate store, converting our terrace into a
Wow.
room. So I have a small workspace now for storing and making. So future plans, I want to definitely go for a bigger space and bigger team. And yeah, I mean, if somebody get inspires with the journey of Sukham, yes, that would be my goal.
Obviously, I'm telling all of you who are watching, probably you could have used one product or two product or been using the products, but really the amount, I really don't know when she finds time to make things, because she is a believer. As much as I know and I've conversed, she's a believer of finish. She needs things to perfection. So she never believes anybody in that ingredient quantity and all that. So quality wise, so I really don't know where she finds the 25th, 26th hour to make this happen. So you can already hear the whistle happening. Time out,
They, yeah,
Nanikara.
no. They are just playing and they're sorted. They're done with their dinner and everything. So, I mean,
Wonderful.
I have, yeah, they are fine. Like I started to believe in the early days and I started to wake up early. So my day starts as early as 4 and I do a little bit for like the first 1 to 2 hours are for myself, like working out or meditating. I start my work by 5 o'clock and goes till 6:30 or 7 till I enter into the kitchen. And post that I don't have any control because if I sit for work, I don't have any guarantee. So the work goes on the flow, and by afternoon I get a couple of hours, and I think to make it up during the weekends. But by Sunday, no, I am absolutely charged out. And like last a couple of weeks, I decided to take off on Sundays. So maybe
Yeah.
once COVID settles, and I hope I will get a little bit more time and focus. But there is one thing everybody will agree with me, and I'm not that perfect because I tend to forget to add or my pack it happens, but I'm not taking that an excuse. But handling single-handedly sometimes ends up like I misplace a product or I miss to add. So people who are with me for a very long time know that I am an expert, or I've been taking shameless excuses and I will resend or replacements. So no, I'm not perfect.
So that's
But
okay.
I'm
See, I
sorry
think
for that. Yeah. Yeah.
being into business and being a mom, handling so many things, family and this,
Uh-huh.
I think that's a little bit acceptable. But
I
yes, I
really
think you can
hope
talk it
for
out with
all
your
the
customers
loyal
sometimes.
customers of Sukham, I take this opportunity to apologize, and as well as I really wish, and yes, I will take necessary steps, and yes, I will definitely rectify this. And sorry, and thank you all for putting up with all these delays and everything. I don't know, but I really
Yeah,
feel
I think
ashamed.
we have couple of them who are waiting for the products and they're using this opportunity to putting it up on the comments. And we guarantee you your products are fresh and it's going to be on the way for you. Just a little bit of later vandalum like latest varum for
Oh,
sure.
I'm sorry. I'm
So
sorry. Yeah.
that's okay.
Yeah.
And Rukmani, I'm once
Yes.
again establishing the fact that I'm super proud to have you in Vidu because as a Vidu founder, I feel finding such gems are very, very important. And at this point, I would like to thank Shivaranjani to have introduced you
Yeah.
to Vidu
Thank you.
and
She's my
introduce you to me.
sister-in-law. Yeah.
Otherwise,
She
I
is
cannot
one
offer.
another. She's one another person who is full of zeal, and I mean maybe I take little bit inspiration from her also because she runs 24 hours a day. I really don't know how she finds, like, she feels passionate about anything and everything. So just one fine day she said that you should join this meeting and let me know how it goes. That's how we do happen to me. And
That's
thank you,
wonderful.
Kadambari,
So,
because you are also doing a great job, like putting all the efforts of the women entrepreneurs into a mainstream. And I have, like, yesterday I was telling to my mom, just listen to this lady, like, you are just popping, like, oozing of energy, confidence, like, you are giving strategies to how to market our product. And like anytime, every time you have a solution for any problem of any entrepreneur. The product may be different, the strategy may be different, but I have felt that if I am facing a little bit problem in, or if I am blank in any area, and the next person I think is of you, definitely, because you have a great network and never you have thought about twice to refer or anything, like be it be marketing or making announcements or spreading word. So we as, I mean, budding entrepreneurs, everybody, if all the followers, thank you. But if you're having any plans to launch your venture, or if you are looking for any guidance, we do. Kadambari is the one who should approach to. She has
hey,
so many
thank you so
strategies,
much.
and yeah, because the
I
way
think
I
at this time we can do a small shout out for homemakers, working women, NRI women,
yeah,
and also students. We have a new opportunity for you. As
yeah,
a part of our Grow As We Let Grow, even Rukmani's products are part of our prestigious products that we have. Her product is also part of us. And homemakers and all of you, we have opportunities for you. So you can also start your micro entrepreneur journey with us. அவரை பத்தி ரொம்ப பிஸியா இருக்கிறாரு. It's okay, it's
No,
okay.
no, he wants to participate something.
Let them participate. Fine. Maybe student ன்னு சொன்னனே வந்துட்டாரோ என்னவோ தெரியல.
அம்மா தண்ணிக்குள்ள போய் இப்படி என்ன
Okay. Okay.
அம்மா
I think we should wrap up. We will get super tense if we extend beyond this.
Thank you everyone for your comments. I am looking through and I will definitely reply once this live is off. Yes, this is the mommy life I am into and okay.
So that is why the delay. So thank you everybody once again from my end, and thank you Rukmini so much. I think I just love this live, and this gives me a lot of inspiration to do a lot of lives with their channels as well. So bye Kuti, bye bye, and all
Thank
the best
you
for your
everyone.
journey.
Yeah, I'm a hostel warden. Nava B Khani. Yeah, I'm a hostel warden. Like my cloth diapering tribe calls me hostel warden, and yes.
Wow.
So thank you everyone. Yes, I am responding to you personally. Thank you everyone for joining in such a short notice. I'm really feeling proud and humbled at the same moment. Really, the growth is attributed to every one of you's trust and belief. I cannot say the thanks because I am an emotional person, and Sukham is because of you. Your referrals matter a lot for me. Thank you so much. And a small request at this point of time: choose to sustainable ways in whatever ways you can. We cannot change 100%, but one step at a time, one day at a time makes a lot of difference. And do let me know, or if you want to choose any ways, and I'm always free for any discussions, or if you want to share knowledge. Sukham is not only for Sukham products. So I want to convert as a knowledge platform to explore more about sustainable products and women entrepreneurship as well. So please do reach out for any queries. We believe we can make a better world by growing together and doing together.
Super. So signing off from We Do Work Peer and Rukmani Kadimbri and Rukmani signing off.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.